Hello and welcome back to my channel. Just wait for 2 minutes. I'm fixing the mic and the camera. So be patient for 2 more minutes. We'll start soon. Hello and welcome back. So I shared the setup on this NAS and EURUSD. I closed out this GBUSD sell on the SL because it hit my SL, and in the gold trade we got our TP. So we have two trades running, one in EURUSD and one is Nasdaq. Let's see what outcome do we get. I was a little unfortunate in my $50 account. I've started it today, and I've I've planned that I will just share the setups on the live stream. But if you want to know the progress of my account, the account balance or equity, you will have to watch my full video. There I will update all the things, but it will be all transparent so that the live stream doesn't get so messy. Let me hear my voice once so that. Yes, the voice is audible, so we are now ready. And okay, let's wait for a few minutes so that other viewers can join. And till that time, I will update the our journal, our progress journal. So this was the last Bitcoin trade, and it went to TP. Okay, let me see. So for the new viewers, I've started trading the funded account now. Okay, yesterday I shared a Bitcoin buy as well, and I made around $7.6. So we'll update it here, or else I'll show you the history. Just a minute. Yeah, you can see now. This was my Bitcoin trade I shared yesterday. So it was of 0.05 volume. So let me just quickly write it here. Bitcoin buy when the profits was $7.6, volume 0.05, the commission was 0.05 as well. So the pips was, let's keep it 15 pips. So now overall we have made a profit of $279 till yesterday. I'll update today's positions as well. Okay, this is my GPUSD setup. Okay, let me just enter it as well. GPUSD with a volume of 0.1 and commission of minus 0.5. Okay, this is 11th of May position GPUSD. It was a sell. Okay, loss minus $13. 13 what was 0.1 and commission I paid was 0.5. Okay, pips will be 13 pips, minus 13 pips, sorry. I entered into two more positions, one in gold. So I'll consider these both trades as one because they are both are in same pair, and I entered with the same idea as well, so no need to enter two times. So it is better to count them as one. So 0.02 volume, 0.02 minus 0.1 commissions, and profits we made is, let me see on the phone, symbol gold. Yeah, so I made $27.31. Just quickly enter it. 27.31, and the pips is 135 pips. This was sell as well, and we got the win. This was NAS, and I won't trade NAS anymore because it has been a little unlucky for me. Whenever I take a trade on that, I lose. So it's better to stay out of that pair. A little unfortunate, but that is what it is. 0.2 minus 0.4, and let me see the loss. I've lost around $23.25, exactly $23.25 minus the minus sign here, and the pips was approx 12 pips. Okay, I've updated all the position, and we have a running position in Okay, this is our date. I'll change it and do, and I've entered into a buy in EURUSD. Let's see what the outcome is. Currently, it's not looking that good, so I'm feeling very unfortunate today because talking about the NAS 100 setup, I closed out the trade at this level. I thought it will surely go to my TP, sorry, SL. So I closed out, but it came out that it retraced back completely from that level. A very surprising setup. And in my $50 account, I'm currently at $40. This is real account. So, and I've shared all the setups on the YouTube community as well as in my Telegram. So you can join my Telegram group. I was really thinking, can we get another setup on NAS? I'm confused a bit because it has went to my SL quite quite a few times now. So a little doubtful. And this EURUSD setup, I'm a little bit of confident in this. This is not my actual updated TP and SL. So I'll keep my SL 5 pips below this low so that we are safe. So this is my SL and TP for EURUSD. We have entered into buy. I will add the sticker as well. Buy on EURUSD, and we'll see if I get some entry in this because we have seen a breakout of this zone as well. So any which ways, if we get an entry from the better level, will be good. And we can give one more try. If we still fail this setup in NAS, I'll stop trading Nasdaq. I'll just focus on gold and EURUSD. I'm not getting any setup on gold now because, so let's reorder this. This could have been a possible entry, but we need some retracement downwards to get a better risk to reward trade because it has went a little too further. This could have been a possible entry, but we, okay, my voice is audible and I feel it is good. If you're getting some retracement to this zone, to this level, we will enter. And there's 1 minute left in this candle closing, so let's keep it here. I'll keep my SL here, and we'll target 1:1. So this is my fifth setup for the day. Too many of a setup for one day, but that's how the market is behaving today, giving many setups. And this day is a kind of a good day for the trader. If you are good at your strategies, you will surely get many entries today. So not many viewers till now. So we have an entry plan in all the three pairs, and so I've decided that I will skip NAS for now because it has been not that lucky for me. It is better to stick with the trend and where gold is going. So it is signaling me that it can go upwards. So, and two pair are giving the same indication. So that's why we'll stick to our bullish bias in these two. Let's see what outcome do we get. Gold is giving me FOMO now because it's going up a lot. Okay, I think we are not getting an entry in gold. So EURUSD setup is still valid and good to go. As is going down. Hopefully we'll get entry into either in gold or in NAS. So I'm coming in 2 minutes. Till that time, you can watch the video. We missed the goal setup for sure. I should have been a little more alert. This Euro USD buy is working out perfectly. I'm so much upset from myself. I closed out this buying USD at loss. In my $50 account, I closed out this NAS trade as well in the loss. So unlucky. My wish list is so unorganized. Okay. Okay, for now I'll remove this NAS from my favorites or wish list because I don't want to get distracted and enter into an ranging market by desperation. It is better to remove that, and I'll stick to my EURUSD buy and gold buy. If we get entry in gold, it is good. If we don't, it's still good. Not not losing out your money on any setup is always a good idea. That's what I've learned trading these accounts live. We have an entry in EURUSD. I was waiting for some retracement in gold, but we didn't get, so missed out on gold setup. Let's see what we get on EURUSD. We are near our TP, and I'm thinking of closing the trade out here because I'll explain the logic, because this was the opening of the Monday, which is more of a risky zone overall. So thinking what to do. I think I'm closing out both the trades. Let's see if I get regretting a lot for not even viewing. I didn't view even once the gold chart. I missed this buy. I should have seen it because my most profitable two pairs are gold and EURUSD. And I was playing around with other pairs like NAS, Bitcoin, JP, which I've lost so much during this challenge. My internet connectivity is weak. It refresh this. Okay, it is going up. So if anybody is holding, they can close the trade now because this is a very critical zone and it can start rejecting. So it is better to stay out near these areas. So any new viewers, please double tap to like, and if you want better viewing experience, you can watch my full length live stream, both running simultaneously. And please do subscribe. I do live every day at 6 p.m. and I'm doing my live the challenge of passing the evaluation phase, which I did actually all live on YouTube. And now I'm trading my funded account. I've started trading the $50 challenge as well. We'll try to flip it to, let's keep the target of 500 this month. We'll try to reach at that level. If we don't reach, just keeping the level here, even if you reach this level, you are still very much up from the base where you started. So always keep your target very high. So that will be my target for this month. And I'm thinking, should I restart using the XNS chart, and we'll trade on that. Let's see. But I won't trade gold on that just because of one reason. Every SL on gold is minimum of $20 to $30, and I've done that mistake earlier trading gold on that much small account and trying to go really fast, and that costed us our account 2 or 3 times. So we'll go slower this time. Even my real funds are involved, so my psychology could differ or change from the last time. But I was trading the funded account simultaneously, which was real. So I will try to trade it just like my funded account, risking low, and will target higher amount in that too. Gold went to my TP. Although, yeah, it wasn't good decision that I closed out because it is now retracing a bit. What is happening? NAS 100, let me see. I'm little addicted to NAS because I've lost one trade here. really want to enter it again. Once it manipulated us and gave a fake out. Now I think this is the real move. It is not faking this time, so just my brain is not yet convinced that I lost a trade in this, and I know it will go down for sure. And a little unlucky in gold as well. Missed the gold buys. It is just moving with a lot of pace, lot of momentum. I missed out on a opportunity of profiting, getting the profit of $38, which is a huge amount in this funded account, as my current equity would be 10,030, I guess. No, 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 10,017, which in the morning was actually 10,040 approx. So we still need more profits today to make up for the losses I did in trading in JPUSD, in NAS 100. Okay, for once I will hear my heart for the last time. Let's see what we get, because this is a valid setup. If we lose on this, I promise I won't trade NAS again. So let's try. Let's give it another chance. Let me open my broker account in my iPad. Okay. Should we try? What will be our SL of 8? Okay. Okay, I'm entering it. So let's see. Let's try one. If we lose, this will be a lesson. If we profit, a good setup for us. I just keep forgetting about the maximum loss, so let me check the rules again. Instant funding, one phase micro. Yeah. Indices, it is of 2 lots, so I can take more lots again. If I lose this setup, I'm losing approx 16 and 16, approx $32. And if I'm getting the profit, for sure I'm not getting the full TP, but even if we get I'll try to reach the equity of 10,050. Okay, I'll show you my dashboard. Just a second. Buy cycles. Using the buy cycles. Yeah, I can show you now. So this is my dashboard, my funded account dashboard. Okay, I've not traded gold at all in this account. I've traded other pairs. BP is not that good of a pair for me. But I made the profit in gold today. So why is it not showing me? Yeah, these profits are from gold. I think it is not refreshed. Okay, once it reached 10,042 of equity, and we are still struggling to reach that equity again. And my best day is $34. So still a long way to go. You can see my risk to reward has fallen down, which must be 1:2 in my evaluation phase. Average losses of $17 and average winners of $16 only. And my risk to reward is 1.2, which is not very much of me. I always aim for higher risk to reward, but in this account I have to follow the rules for the payout. A tricky situation for me, for sure. Okay, what is our today's profit? I've made $9 today according to this. So if I make 40 more dollars, so 40 not, let's take 30 more dollars. So this will become my best trading day of $41, and will complete our 2 days of 7. So on 5 more days I have to make $40 more. Okay, so if I make $41 today, I will have to make $300 based on my calculations. This, and I've divided it by 7. Okay, and if I divide this with, let's say, this, we can make a maximum of $45 a day if we are targeting. So 300, if I make $41 on, and if I multiply this with, I will make a total of 270. I will have to make a minimum of 273. Okay, I'm getting my doubts clear. The NAS has been a betrayal again. Let's see. Okay, so this is a lesson and it has made my decision now better and fixed that I will not be trading NAS again. And it was good I didn't enter into my $50 account, otherwise I would have lost this trade as well. It's okay if I lose this, because getting early lessons and signs is always a good thing. And now I'll avoid trading NAS, and this is not for me. It is almost my SL and could have even hit it. Yeah, so we are 9983, back to some drawdown. Okay, this trade didn't work out well. I'll quickly enter this. Let's do the entry in this. The EURUSD buy was open. We didn't enter into the gold trade. As I was waiting for some pullback. I will enter NAS. Right, selling again. Loss. Very waste of pair. I didn't like this at all. .4 volume. Commissions 0.8 minus 0.8, and I lost. Let's add quickly 16.92 plus 16.67. So we lost $33 here and approx 9 pips, I guess. And in EURUSD it was a win. 0.2 volume again. The commissions $1. A tough day. And pips. Okay. Missing the trade on good pairs, and the pairs I'm entering are hitting the SL. I don't think so. I will be getting more entries now. आवाज रे मैं आ जाऊंगा पूरी दुनिया पूरी तेरे चाहिए तेरी प्रीत में आ जाऊंगा. This spike upward is not understandable by me at all. We tried selling it 2 times, but we were unfortunate both the times and we incurred losses. In both the setups, I closed out the SPY, so no currently any running position. But I'm regretting this entry. I missed this very clean setup. This spike makes me feel very bad. Lost two trades on the trot on Nash. So, okay, we have to move on. Gold is just going higher and higher. The pair in which I missed the setup always does this. Okay, euro is also now going up, and I think that it can go more higher or upwards because once it and usually it follows the pathways of gold, and also there is a lot of room upside. The chart is not fully loaded. Just for a second, you can watch the charts for that time. Okay, okay, if we are not getting any setup and play cricket now. Let's play cricket. I have my charts open in my tab, so no need to worry if I see a position forming on my tab, I will surely enter. Let's distract ourselves from the charts. We can enjoy a bit playing cricket. Just a second, I'll fix the camera issue. ओके, हम अब क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, देखते हैं। क्योंकि ट्रेडिंग आज एक अच्छा दिन नहीं था ट्रेडिंग का, तो और क्रिकेट खेलते टाइम तो हिंदी बोलना ही पड़ेगा। बहुत इररिलेवेंट लगेगा। लेट्स प्ले 2 ओवर टूर्नामेंट फर्स्ट। स्टार्ट करते हैं पहला गेम न्यूजीलैंड के अगेंस्ट। फर्स्ट बॉल टू, इसको चेंज करना है हमें 5 बॉल रहते हुए। मिस्ड आवर टारगेट। यूरोएसडी का भी टीपी हिट हो गया। अगेन न्यूजीलैंड के साथ ही मैच है। वन विकेट लेफ्ट। अच्छा, न्यूजीलैंड से ही मैच होता है क्या? है पिछले गेम्स में तो ऐसा नहीं था। तो हमारा मैच न्यूजीलैंड के ही अगेंस्ट पड़ा। आई डोंट नो व्हाई। ऐसा तो पहले नहीं होता था। ओके, देखते हैं इस मैच के खत्म होने के बाद, इस टूर्नामेंट के खत्म होने के बाद इसका 5 ओवर का ही खेलेंगे। कैमरा प्लेयर को कैसे? एक सेकंड से आपको मैं चार्ट्स दिखा दूं। ये गोल्ड का है और ये यूएसडी का है। ऑलमोस्ट टीपी हिट हो गया। 1:1 पे रखें तो टीपी हिट हो चुका है यूरोएसडी एंड गोल्ड बोथ दोनों में। नैश 100 सिर्फ मैनिपुलेशन ही कर रहा अभी तो। इज बेटर टू स्टे आउट। जीपीएसडी नॉट अ गुड पेयर टू ट्रेड नाउ। अभी किसी में सेटअप नहीं बन रहा, अभी वेट करना पड़ेगा। देखते हैं अगर किसी में सेटअप बनता है, होपफुली गोल्ड में बन जाए, क्योंकि गोल्ड या यूरोएसडी बेस्ट रहेगा अगर सेटअप बनता है तो। तब तक गेम खेला जाए। एक मैच और जीतना है क्वार्टर फाइनल में पहुंचने के लिए। गेम 6 एंड इस टूर्नामेंट के बाद एक चेस का गेम भी खेल लिया जाए। हाँ, इधर मिला ना ऑस्ट्रेलिया। तो लीग स्टेज में सिर्फ न्यूजीलैंड मिला और क्वार्टर फाइनल में जाके दूसरा टीम मिला जो कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया है। ऐसा ही होता है क्या इस गेम में? We have won the match. Afghanistan quarter final 2. वो लाइट फ्लिकर का कुछ सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा तो ऐसे ही काम चलाना पड़ेगा। ये शायद सेमीफाइनल है। This is all we needed to win this match. A 6 and we are in a way better position now and we are likely winning this game. Final match. Okay, 12 ball 18 runs, a very easy target. And hopefully we will not fumble and we will win the CPL tournament. Finish the match. Congratulations. Just 2 minutes. If there is an issue, the hi, good evening. SK Shots, Euro analysis करो. Euro USD favorite pair. या यूरो यूएसडी में मेरा एक सेटअप था बट आई थिंक यू आर लेट नाउ। और वो तो गया टीपी पे। हमारा एक सेटअप था यूरो यूएसडी में बाय का ऑन द ब्रेक ऑफ दिस रेजिस्टेंस और वो हेलो वेलकम बैक। सॉरी आई वाज बिजी प्लेइंग द गेम। that trade of EURUSD went to the TP, so I think you're a little late today. And likely अब नया सेटअप्स नहीं बन रहे हैं इधर, तो मेरे लिए भी आज का दिन थोड़ा ट्रिकी था. लॉसेस भी हुए और सिर्फ लॉसेस ही हुए. विंस तो बहुत कम था, तो आज का दिन लर्न है. इन द वर्ड्स ऑफ रिजवान द लीजेंड. आई थिंक कि मेरा ये डिस्प्ले, जस्ट अ सेकेंड, लेट मी सी. ओके, फिक्स कर दिया. मे बी अब ज़्यादा रीच मिले. यूडीएसडी पे टीपी जा चुका है. गोल्ड पे बाय सेटअप मिस हो गया. इधर बाय हो सकता था बट मिस हुआ, तो लिटिल अनफॉर्चुनेट डे. जिनको क्रिप्टो में ट्रेड चाहिए तो वो आप इधर सेल ले लो और इस जगह आप सेल लो, एसएल इधर रखो और 1:1 मिल चुका है। आइडिया अगेन सिंपल, ब्रेक ऑफ दिस सपोर्ट, इधर भी एंटर कर दो तो भी 1:1 थोड़ा नीचे जाओ। ये भी आइडिया फॉलो कर सकते हो। बिटकॉइन में लेट मी सी, बिटकॉइन इथीरियम में मत ही एंट्री करना अभी। यू शुड नॉट एंटर इन इथीरियम नाउ बिकॉज इट इज इन अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ट्रिकी situation. We can wait for some retracement in gold, then plan any setup. Okay, let's wait till that time. I'll study. You can also do some other stuff. Just keep the stream live, and if we find any setup in any of the pairs, we'll take a trade. So for that time, let's study rather than wasting time on the charts and desperately taking a trade. It is better to do some productive work, and playing game could be entertaining, but it is not productive. I have my exams upcoming, so a better idea is to prepare for my exam and I will be more efficient here on live. So I'll study now. Just for 2 minutes, I'll fix the settings. Okay, I brought my book and notebook. Now I have the charts open, and if I see any setup forming, I'll share. Till that time, I'll study. Okay, anybody who joins the stream, please do like and subscribe. Double tap to like, and we'll keep the stream open till 12 o'clock. We'll study in between as well. So whoever joins the stream, please like and subscribe. And for the time there are no setups forming, I'll study. Case study of utmost good faith. Let's study this first. This is the case study of Uber My PD. Don't know about this case. Well, study about this case live only is over. I may IT. It is a Latin legal doctrine meaning most good faith that governs. Okay. It's a Latin word for that. So the principle we first see the what is was the case. So the case is Rohan purchased a health insurance policy through an online platform. While filling out the form, he intentionally hides the fact that he has been undergoing treatment for diabetes for the past 3 years. After 6 months, he is hospitalized due to complications arising from diabetes and he files a claim. The insurer rejects the claim after investigating his medical history. Identify and explain the principle violated in this case. Okay. That's why the rule of utmost faith came in. What are the duties of the insured under this principle? How do you think the insurer decision is justified? Give reasons. How can digital insurance platform ensure better compliance with this principle? Okay, let's answer this. So the principle violated is utmost good faith. This principle requires both the insurer and the insured to disclose all material facts honestly. Rohan hid his diabetes treatment history, which is an important medical fact affecting the insurance contract. So, okay, clearly he hid his medical condition and which is legally violating this rule in the insurance. So he is wrong for sure, and the insurance company can reject his claim. So, okay, I'll write this word to disclose material facts honestly. Rohan hid his for the comment I heard first. My brother is best. Who is brother? So I'm studying for my exam right now, and if I find any setup, I will share it. Till that time, I will study for my exam. With his diabetes, treatment history, treatment history, which is a sort of line to the insurance company. That's why the insurance company can reject his claim, which is an important medical fact affecting the insurance contract. For the medical fact affecting the insurance contract. Okay, now the duties of the insured. The person who is getting the insurance from the insurance company. So what were his duties he should have followed? So first, he should have disclosed all the material and medical facts to the company. The Ethereum trade went till the TPM is going beyond that. Trade worked out perfectly. BTC with the sell as is completely messed right. And don't think there are any more setups forming. Let's still wait for gold. Duties of the insured. First, we talked about the principle violated in this, and it was almost good faith. Now, the duties of the insured are disclose all important and material facts. For this principle, the insured must disclose all important and material facts, all important and material facts. Second is provide true and complete information. Complete, avoid hiding or misrepresenting facts. Information. These are somewhat correlated and same. So disclose all important and material facts, provide true and complete information, avoid hiding or misrepresenting information. And the third is inform the insurer about existing illness, risk, or previous treatments. Inform the insurer. about existing. So for the new viewers, please double tap to like. I've shared multiple setups in the stream, and today's win rate was about 50-50. We got TP on 2-3 setups, got SL on 2-3 setups as well. So I would consider this day as a failure for me. A losing day that is reflecting in my PNL as well. I'm hoping for one more setup for the day, and then we can end the stream. For that time, I'm just studying. Staying illness. Products or previous treatment. Now the third question is the insurer's decision justified? Yes, his decision is justified. Yes, the insurers. Yes, the insurer's decision is justified because Roman intentionally concealed his medical condition, which directly affected the claim. In this case, the company had complete right that they can cancel the insurance claim because he intentionally concealed the information. It got the same amount of views on the shorts as well as on the full video, which is not the thing I expected. Okay, let's keep continuing our stream. And hard work always pays off. So